ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. In our previous class you learnt the introduction part of statistics. Today you are going to learn in statistics the first important one, mean. It is also called arithmetic mean. It is also called arithmetic mean, AM, mean of data. How to find the mean of the data? I am going to give you the formula first. First write down the formula, then we will do one problem for grouped data and ungrouped data. First we do for ungrouped data. What is mean? Let x1, x2, x3, so on, xn be n observations. How many observations are there? N observations. N can be 2, n can be 10, n can be 30, n can be 100, n can be 1 crore also. N is not mentioned here, but observations are written here in the order. First observation, maybe first student mark, second student mass marks, third student mass marks, 10th student marks. N is 10 here. Or you can say Monday, first day temperature, second day temperature, third day temperature, 7th day temperature. Observations of 7 days, temperature of 7 days, like that. Let x1, comma x2, comma x3, comma so on, xn be n observations. Then the mean is, then the mean of the data is the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations, is sum or total divided by n. This is represented by x bar is equal to sum x1 plus x2 plus so on xn divided by n. This is the mean x bar of how many observations? N. And what are the observations? x1, x2, x3, so on xn. So for n observations, the mean is found to be total divided by n, which is x bar. This is also written as sigma xi divided by n. What is sigma? This representation sigma is sum. Remember, sigma represents sum, where I is equal to what? I is 1, 2, 3, so on n. This is short form of mean. For ungrouped data, how many observations are given? N observations. For n observations, what is the mean? Just add all these observations, sum it up, divide that by n. Suppose you have got a data for 7 days temperature. What to do? 7 days temperature you take and add up, divided by 7 gives the mean of that particular week temperature. In a week there are 7 days. 7 days temperature written, totaled up, summed up, divided by 7 gives the average temperature for 1 week. Similarly, if 30 students marks are given, collect 30 students marks, total the 30 students marks, divide by 30, average mark of the class in mathematics. This is the simple formula for ungrouped data. Grouped data formula also I will give you. First of all, we take down this. Now, I will take one example and find out the mean. Example, find mean for 10 students, find mean for 10 students, English marks out of 100. Exam is conducted for 100 marks. So, 10 students marks are given. What are the 10 marks given? 10 students marks given, they are the 10 observations. First student, how many marks he got? He got 40 marks. Second student, 55. Third student, 70. Fourth student, 54. Next student he got 66. 5 students marks are given. Next, another sixth student got 70. Next student 75. Next student 35. Next student 43. Next student 57. So, this is the data given for 10 students. To find the mean, you just add up all this and find out, or you can write. How to write the solution for this? So, I am writing this data in ascending order. You can write it in ascending order also, and you can add it up. First, what is the least mark? Least 40. 35 is the least. Greatest mark. What is the greatest? 55. 70 is greatest. 75 is greatest. 75. So, what is the minimum mark you got? So, in order, we can write in order, in either ascending order or descending order. So, I am writing in order. First, I will start with the least, 35 marks. Where is 35? Here it is. Next to 35, what is the mark? We got 40. So, circle this. Next to 40, what is available here? 43. You write 43 here. Next to 43, out of the remaining, which is the least? See here, it is 54. 54. Next comes 55. Next comes 57. Next comes 66. Next comes 70. 2 times 70 is available. So, you write 2 times 70. Then comes 75. This is in order. Which order we have written? In ascending order. In ASC, ascending order. Suppose your examiner asks you to write the data in descending order. How will you write? Another order you can write 75, 70, 70, 66, 57, 55, 54, 43, 40, 35. Which order is this? Descending order. In DES order, I say in descending order. It is upward, it is downward. In descending order, you have tabulated the data. But how to find the mean? What is the mean formula here? Mean formula is, this is the mean formula. So, let us take this. mean formula. What is the mean? X bar is equal to, you have to add up all this, 35 plus 40 plus 43 plus 54 plus 55 plus 57 plus 66 plus 70 plus 70 plus 75 divided by how many students are there? 10 students. If you want, you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students marks summed up divided by 10. In the examination, you need not write in ascending order or descending order. Directly also you can sum it up. You can take the total marks and sum it up and write. But I have just for your information, I have arranged them in ascending order and descending order so that you learn in any problem how to go for ascending order and how to go for the data in descending order. So, you just add up. So, addition you know that. So, you can add 40 plus 35, 75, 75 plus 3, 78 plus 40, 118, 118 plus 50, 168, 172, 172 plus 50, 222 plus 5, 227. So, I am writing like this 227, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students data is done. Next 57 plus 66, 60 plus 50, 110, 117, 123 plus 70, 193 plus 70, 263, 268 plus 70, 3, 268 plus 70, 338. You can add up this 57, 75, 210, 215, 215 plus 60, 275, 281, 288 plus 50, 338 divided by 10. So, you can see here 300 plus 200, 500, 530, 550, 557, 565, 565 divided by 10. It is 57.6.5, or you can say 57%.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
So, what is the average of all these 10 students in ungrouped data? 57. Find mean. What is the mean? 57%. That means what? Any student, if at all exam is conducted, he is on an average getting 56.5 marks or 57 marks. We can say that. So, have you understood? I am going to repeat the same procedure and once again. Find mean for 10 students. Of what? What are the observations? English marks. Exam is conducted in English subject. What is the total, grand total? What is the maximum mark? 100. First student got 40, 40, 55, 70, 54, 66. Like that, 5 students, another 5, 10 students marks are taken. If you want, you can write the least. If you want, you can write the greatest, and you can write them in ascending order, in descending order. This is not required. But without this also, you can directly go by what is mean. Mean is written as x bar. What is x bar formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on plus xn divided by 10. So, you got the total. So, instead of taking this ascending order, you can take 40 plus 55 plus 70. So, like that you can total it up and see that the total is 565, and the 565 is divided by 10 gives average mark of the class. So, this is how you can find the students, 10 students, average mark, and it is also called as arithmetic mean. So, I am going to give a small exercise for you. What is the exercise for you? You have to collect, you take the Eenadu paper or your English paper, any English paper, Deccan Chronicle, Hindu paper. They will write in temperature column weather report the temperature of Hyderabad or of any particular city, yesterday's temperature will be given clearly. So, what you have to do is collect the data from first, second data in temperature, second temperature, third temperature, fourth temperature, like that, fifth temperature, how 6, so on up to 10. Temperature of 1 to 5, 6 to 10, then 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, and then 25 to 30. For the last month, first of the March month temperature, second of March month temperature, third of March month temperature. You collect the 30 temperatures. What is that called? Observations. How many observations? 30 observations. T1, first temperature is temperature of first day, temperature of second day, temperature of third day. Like that, how many days? 30 days. Temperature of 30 days temperature, you take it up in Celsius degrees. Generally it will be around 37 degrees or 41 degrees, 42 degrees, like that. In the last summer it was 5.5, 46 degrees. So, in Ramagundam or somewhere it was very hot, the temperature was even 47, 48 degrees. If it touches 48 degrees, we can't breathe properly also. It is very hot to go in the hot sun. So, this kind of temperatures must be collected. A small exercise for you. March month temperatures collect all the 30 days temperature. In fact, in March month, how many days we have? 31 days. So, collect the 30 days temperature, divide by 30, or you take March month 1 to 31, T31 also you can take and divide by 31 and tell me the average temperature. In the next month, what will you do? April average temperature. Just tell me now the prediction. March month average, is it smaller than April month average or not? True, it is less than. April is hot month. Coming month is May. In the month of May, what could be the temperature average? It could be slightly higher than April month. That means what? March temperature average, mean temperature of March, mean temperature of April, mean temperature of May, you can write. Similarly, you can do it for the next month June, next month July. June monsoon comes, that means it becomes little bit cloudy and there may be a chance of rain. In July, August there will be definitely rains. Naturally, temperature falls down, the average goes down. So, this is the exercise I am giving to you to do at home. So, what is the data? What is the problem I have given to you? Collecting the data such as temperature of 31 days of March month and tabulating them. You do not need to write ascending order, descending order, but finding the mean temperature of March month. Similarly, you can do it for April. Similarly, you can do it for May. So, this is the exercise. So, if at all you do it properly, you will be familiar with mean for ungrouped data.